Meaning of embarrassingly.
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 Embarrassingly. Embarrassingly is an adverb that conveys the sense of something being humiliating, awkward, or uncomfortable. When used to describe a situation, embarrassingly implies that the outcome was not only negative but also causes one to feel embarrassed. For example, if a person trips and falls in public, it can be described as embarrassingly because it is an awkward and humiliating experience. Embarrassingly often suggests that the situation was unexpected and the person affected by it was caught off guard. Overall, embarrassingly describes a situation that is cringeworthy and makes one want to hide away from the public eye.